Okay, we've got some gas, and thanks to Larry from Canada, from the Arduino group, we've got the Arduino working correctly, well, how I want it to work. So it will fire the solenoid, and then there will be delay, and then it will fire the ignition for a period of time. I've upgraded the spark from a coil to this high voltage setup. The LEDs, the yellow LED is for the solenoid, the red LED is for the ignition. The solenoid's there. I've also got the valve in the bottom. I've mounted it this direction because I've just realised that the HHO is lighter than the air, so I put the top so it should stay towards the top instead of coming out the bottom. The hope is with the timing I have now that it will give a reasonable sized pulse of gas into the cylinder, and then the spark will fire after without exploding our gas reservoir. Fire, spark. This is the time. Well, we've got one little tiny pop. The time between the HHO injection and the spark is now 1 second instead of 2 seconds. Lost gas pressure. So we got fired twice and we lost gas pressure. Okay, I'm just going to give it another try like that. Got a bit more gas there. Then I'll move the camera down to the bottom to see if I can see anything, but the next round we might try it with the lights off. Very good. Okay, so I'm having a bit of success here with detonating it when I want it to detonate, etc. I'm going to stick with the low pressure gas, just the balloon size, but I have to increase the output of the HHO as it takes too long to fill the balloon at the moment. So I'm just going to try that now with the light off so we can see what it looks like with the light off on the exhaust. Out of gas. This is the other engine I'm going to run, but I'm not going to try that today because I'm definitely not getting enough gas to be able to use that. So I'll get more gas and bigger reservoir, and I probably can't get enough gas in without pressure, but I'm just going to stick with low pressure until I get it all sorted and make sure it's working without destroying the balloon and the reservoir. I want to set it up so there's no backflashes. And then I'll still put a flash guard in it, but I don't want to be relying on a flash guard. I want it to not be flashing back and have the flash guard and another bubbler in between for extra safety, especially when I start trying to pressurise a little bit the gas, the HHO gas.